Today I'm going to share with you how I made this really sweet little Eiffel Tower cake. So stay tuned. Hi everyone, today I'm making a vegan cake. It's a chocolate vegan. Now I have the recipe on my YouTube channel and I'll put a link to it at the end of the video. Here's my layers. I've already baked them. I baked them yesterday. I froze them. They're really not frozen, they're just nice and cold. And I have some fondant. I'm using Fondurific today because I'm kind of testing that one out. And I added some Tylose powder because I want to make it a little firmer for the Eiffel Tower little decoration that I'm going to put on the front of the cake. So this is for a 16-year-old girl. She just wanted a little cake for the top of her cupcake tower. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it. I also have a batch, or a double batch. I made way too much buttercream, but I like to have more than I need. So I just made 2 batches and I'll freeze the leftover for my next vegan cake because this is made out of soy butter. Just soy butter beaten with some confectionery sugar and a little bit of vanilla. So first I put down the rubber shelf liner, then these, I have a 7-inch cake cardboard, and I'm going to go ahead and put the layers together. I made a template for my cake, and this is going to be the Eiffel Tower on the side. I'm going to make this out of gum paste. So what I did was I just looked up an image online and I traced it. So I'm just going to cut that out and put it over my gum paste. Put a little dusting of powder on there, cornstarch. Might need to warm up your fondant gum paste a little bit. And then just do the same thing with the clouds.